I am, and I'm on my way to photograph cranes and some other waterfall. And let me tell you that I am not a morning person. The conditions are very bad today. It's cold, it's windy, and I should stay in bed, but here I am. There are two storks walking in the fields. You can already hear them and see them flying, so that's a good sign. It's a tough terrain to walk through, pretty much of the place. There it is. That's my place. This is where I'm going to be. Gonna get ready now, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for cranes to appear, hopefully. Okay, I'm all set up, and now it's just a matter of waiting. I'm not gonna lie, if it wouldn't be so windy today, I could easily fall asleep here. It's quite comfortable. Let's wait now. It's been an hour now and I haven't seen a single bird. I'm not even talking about cranes, but any bird. Maybe it's because of the wind, I don't know. I'm gonna give it another hour of waiting, and if nothing happens, then I'm just gonna come back tomorrow. It's starting to rain now, which is not good. It has been 3 hours and nothing has happened. I'm gonna give up for today, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow, but not in the morning, because I have seen some activity in the evenings in this area, so I'm gonna give it a shot in the evening. So see you tomorrow. Day 2. So much better today. There's almost no wind. We've got a very nice sun, so the conditions are really nice. It's a very nice evening. And by the way, there is a chance to photograph different birds here as well, including grey herons, white egrets, all sorts of different duck species. So yeah, let me see if we can maybe get something today. Let's go. Very hard to record something here because the place is very narrow, but I have seen one crane already, which is a very good sign. And I'm gonna get my usual camo, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like using this camo, but it works really good, so I'm kinda forced to it. Yeah, just scared for mallard ducks, which is unfortunate, but maybe they will come back. Okay, now I'm gonna lay down here and wait. Yep. I just heard a grey heron, but I don't think it's gonna come here. It's very difficult to vlog like this. It's so uncomfortable to hold my phone. Such a small place. which is a shame because I don't have much light left today. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a couple more minutes and then I have to just go back home. Well, I didn't get the cranes today again, but at least I got a heron, which is good. Beautiful birds as well. And I got informed about different place where I could go, where I can also photograph herons and cranes, of course. So I might go there tomorrow. I check the new place. It's day 3 and I'm getting to this place that someone told me about. It was quite difficult to get here with my car because the road was filled with tall grass, but I made it. It's just a field flooded with water. You can see mallard ducks, some goose. Okay, it's promising. However, the weather is not so nice today. It was sunny before, but we got some clouds coming and I was hoping to see some nice sunset, but this might not be the case today. I'm gonna try anyway. It looks like that. Lots of tall grass, which is not good. It's not gonna make it nice at photos. I need to find a good place, and I'm thinking of getting some backlit shots because it's flooded here as well. There are lots of smaller bird species, as you can see as well. So as you can see, the place is filled with birds, which is good, but I'm struggling here because I'm kinda clueless on where to stop, where to wait for them, where to find a place to hide. Maybe I can just choose some random place now, today, and I don't know, see what happens and come back tomorrow for a better spot. Okay, I'm going to quickly set up here. There are lots of wading birds here. I can hear a green sandpiper calls all the time. And I don't think I have photos of them. So yeah, I'm gonna use this opportunity to photograph them here. Perfect. Ready now. Sandpipers are to my left now. But I can't move my camera this way because I'm going to scare them away. So I need to wait for them to fly in front of me. So far, there are lots of wagtails, funny birds. They come to me for like 3 meters. That's it for the day. It wasn't the best, but it's something, right? I got some shots. And by the way, I think this video is not going the way I wanted it to go, because it was supposed to be about cranes, and I didn't get any shots of cranes, but I got all of these different birds. So yeah, I don't know. But I'm not done here. I'm gonna come back maybe tomorrow or maybe in 2 days. and hopefully I can finally see these cranes. That would be great. So as I said, I'm back here again. We had some heavy rains yesterday, so the water level is slightly bigger. However, I'm worried about bird activity here because it's much lower than before, so that's really bad. But anyway, let's see, maybe I can get some shots today. Maybe finally the cranes will come. Place is filled with wagtails. I can easily count like 15 of them. I'm pretty sure that there is a ringed plover in front of me. Let me get a shot. Yeah, that's 100%. A ringed plover. That's amazing. Okay, I have got 2 sandpipers in front of me. I think wood sandpipers. And the light is amazing. I think it's like 5 minutes for the sun to go slightly lower for the perfect conditions. Hopefully I can get some nice photos of them. Yep, I know I didn't get the cranes again, but I think that's wildlife, right? You don't always get what you want. And yeah, this video wasn't planned at all. It was quite spontaneous, so I think I still managed to get some nice photos, some nice videos for you. I think I'm gonna end this video here now. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.